Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to correct all spellings and Grammarly in just one click. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have downloaded this app. So let's get into it. And let's click on Add New over here on the top right. Make sure you're logged into it. Now you can add. Let's write few incorrect spellings here. So we can see here is the option for correcting the spelling. So let's tap on this, and here are the options. Simply tap on this, and let's tap on this again, and here is the further grammatical error as well. Simply tap on this to correct it. So this is all we can do to correct spellings in Grammarly. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.